Pero may isang kakaibang bata ang matatandaang sinundan dahil sa ipinakita niyang kakaibang tapang sa pakikipaglaban sa buhay.
With explosion.
Ang 3 taong gulang na panganay nina JJ at Feliz, si Caitlin Soleil, mas kilala sa tawag na Courageous Katie.
Galing akong wedding. Tapos pagdating ko sa CR, nandun yung pregnancy test. Tapos I go, what? Seryoso ka ba? Mas exciting pa doon, I guess. Kasi sa side niya, panay boys yung pamangkin ko doon. So, Katie, first girl sa both sides.
Now that Kitty's turning 1, na-experience namin yung hirap at yung sarap din of being a parent. And
Nag-survive kami 1 year. Parang kaya pala. Kaya.
we are thankful na si Kitty, healthy siya, happy baby. And yun, I just want sana today para ma-celebrate yung goodness ni God in her life.
Katulad ng ibang mga bata, si Katie lumaking bibo. Masayahin, mahilig kumanta, sumayaw at mag-drawing.
What color do you like?
We tried to, as much as possible, document everything. Hindi naman sinasadya, but it came naturally. Since ako, photographer, tapos siya, stylish siya before, and then, yun. So, of course, kids namin yun. We brought her everywhere. Kasi our work, kung saan kami nakapunta. So, we had fun. I mean, it was an adventure for us. So, we wanted to experience everything with her. Ang dream namin nun, like, wherever we go, we could teach her. She was very smart. My wife had fun teaching her.
Yellow yogurt.
She would respond well, she would learn well.
Ang kanilang munting pamilya, mas nakumpleto nung nabiyayaan sila ng isa pang anak, si Ethan.
I want to be a doctor and I want to get Ethan.
Pero September 2015, nagkasakit si Katie.
We noticed yung parang insect bites niya, more. And then, umakyat sa legs, umakyat sa hita niya. Tapos, na-concern na kami, like, okay, what's going on? So, we had to consult with different doctors. Tapos, wala silang definite answer, kundi parang insect bites talaga siya, sensitive talaga skin niya. So, we didn't naman know na it was something else. It just became worse and worse. Doon na kami talaga nag-worry. So any parent who loves their child, diba, and see them sick, you would do anything in your power, capability to find a solution, find a way, find the right doctor, find the right treatment. We were asking na God, like, what's happening, why is this happening to her or to us? Trying time talaga for the family.
Hanggang ang pamilya, nagdesisyong ipatingin si Katie sa Singapore. Doon na nalaman na meron siyang juvenile myelomonocytic leukemia o JMML, pambihirang uri ng cancer sa dugo.
To see na her body was was slowly deteriorating, to see yung lesions niya, madami pa rin, to see na parang the treatment would work na not work. So it was hard to see that she was not improving as much as we hoped for and prayed for. Diba? So it was the hard part.
Para makalikom ng tulong at para maibahagi na rin ang karanasan ng kanilang pamilya, sinimulan sa social media ang isang kampanya na pinangalanang Courageous Katie. Sa pamamagitan ng social media page na ito, nasubaybayan ng netizens ang pakikipaglaban ni Katie sa kanyang pambihirang sakit. Marami ang nakipagbayanihan at nagbigay ng donasyon.
Praying for me and helping me to get better. I love you all. Bye.
Hanggang ang halos 6 na buwang laban ni Katie, nagtapos Marso ng nakaraang taon.
How can I be grateful for the years that we were together? How can I be joyful in the years to come without her? When we came home and I saw her clothes and I saw her shoes and I saw her toys and I saw her painting, I just screamed. My heart, I heard my husband scream as he entered the house. We just screamed, Katie, we're home. And there was no voice. At the end of the day, I just lost my voice and I couldn't believe I could scream that much.
We have accepted that, she's really with the Lord. We also accepted that the time here is so short. Sabi, diba, in a blink of an eye, we'll be together again.
To a mother, every word is a lesson of love, they say. But for a kid, every tick of the clock is play.
November 2016, sa gitna ng pangungulila ng pamilya, may dumating na bagong pag-asa.
Moments like these begin with our little heartbeat.
Isang magandang balita. Si Feliz, muling nagdalang tao.
The OB, yun nga, na-mention lang niya casually. After examining her na, the expected date of delivery is March 5. March 5 was very memorable for us because syempre that was the day na ito na yung sakit niya, yung JMML. Nakakatuwa lang how God could replace a day so painful with a day na you find out na you're expecting a new life.
At sakto nitong araw ng mga puso, sa eksaktong oras din ng paglisa ni Katie, 11:25 ng umaga, isinilang si Tabitha Caleas Chinyi. Ang ibig sabihin daw nito, beautiful grace in joyous harmony.
When we woke up, ang ganda nung sunrise. Sobrang ganda. Tapos my wife had a thought na parang, what if today kaya ako So, surprised talaga. Even our doctor was, syempre surprised din sila. Pwede was surprised. But it was a nice surprise. And then everything was so smooth. When Kale came out, parang, uy, yung realization, okay, father ako ulit. And yung joy was different.
Maiksi man ang naging buhay ni Katie, inspirasyon naman sa napakarami. At sa panibagong panimula na ipinagkaloob sa pamilya Lucas, alam nilang kailanman hindi sila nilisan ng kanilang anghel.